Electricity, something we use all day long for just about everything we do. But what happens to our lives when it's gone? From our cell phone to our refrigerator. What do we do when the lights go out? If the grid goes down, there is a solution to keep you powered up.
We were always preparing for hurricanes, right? That's the primary thing that we've always had an issue with being in the Gulf. But now with freezes being a problem and knocking out the power, you have to think about all the other things that survive on power constantly.
America's eyes opened to the increased power outages and the grid failures after the Texas freeze of 2021. With storms and other emergency events, we're seeing the power grid and power failures happening at an increased rate year over year.
Being able to maintain your home, keep the heat on in a freeze, not only keeps you happy, but it also maintains your appliances and all your other items around the house that potentially also depend on that you don't really think of.
As a mom, and as a self-proclaimed homebody, I don't want to leave home. I'm comfortable here. My kids are here. Our things are here. Their toys are here.
You're going to have a lot of things that you rely on, like warming up bottles and milk, pumping, all these sorts of different things that you need to be able to take care of with your family. And if you don't have power, it's going to hit you immediately.
Hey, I'm Michael Black, Sales Director for DuroMax Power Equipment. And today we're at the Bauer home in Bridgeland, a beautiful community just north of Houston, Texas, to check out their home power backup system from DuroMax.
Well, we actually both work from home, and so it's important for us to have electricity at all times to, allow us to get on the internet and be able to communicate with our coworkers and be able to just live our lives. And we decided to go with a portable home generator system for backup power reasons in the event of a power failure on the Texas grid.
DuroMax is really a small engine company. Our flagship product line is our line of multi-fuel portable generators, but our full product assortment includes bare engines, water pumps, and pressure washers. DuroMax's vision is to bring reliable, affordable home power backup to America. We really designed our portable generators to be a very versatile product, from home power backup purposes, recreational purposes like camping or tailgating, and for professionals on the job site.
When I was considering generators, I wanted to look through some of what the experts recommended, and DuroMax came up consistently as a portable solution. It was also rather affordable too compared to some of the other options. One of my main things was just having a consistent fuel source, and so I wanted one that could use natural gas. And I also wanted to be able to power most or the entire house.
We had a lot of issues back in 2021 where people were stuck without water for a month and a half because their pipes burst. We saw a lot of homes where all the sheetrock had to be ripped out because you can end up with mold in your home, and that can be actually very dangerous for you and your family. So if you did have a DuroMax portable generator, it could have powered your home. You would have had water. You would not have had a huge plumbing bill because your one pipe burst and it just flooded the entire home.
A lot of people can be intimidated by a portable generator, and we try to engineer them so they are easy to use, from our push-button start that makes it just as easy as starting your car, fully loaded power panels with multiple household outlets, 30-amp plugs and 50-amp plugs that are ideal for home power backup.
I chose the 13,000 model because I wanted one that was large enough to power our entire house.
We manufacture the largest tri-fuel generator on the planet. This is our XP 13000 HXT. It runs on natural gas, propane, or gasoline. The heart of DuroMax portable generators is our powerful DuroMax OHV engines. This particular model has a 500cc engine. Compared to similar models, it allows you to put out the most power.
It's just something easy I can put in the garage and pull it out whenever I need it.
When you're powering your house with a portable generator, you're going to be taking it to its limits. It's going to be able to power everything, but you might need to manage your loads sometimes. And if you do reach that limit, there's overload protection built into the generator that's going to protect it.
DuroMax really wants everyone to be safe when they're operating our product. That's why with our patented CO Alert technology, we'll shut down the unit if an unsafe level of carbon dioxide is detected. Always operate your generator outside and at least 15 to 20 feet away from any open doors or windows.
So this was my first generator purchase. I used to be in the dark about this whole option as a way to power your house. And I learned about it through some local Facebook groups that teach you about portable generators, how they work, how they can be connected to your home, what they can power, and all the different things that they can do.
What DuroMax is doing is they're really checked into the community of people that are growing all over the country, really. It started here, but it's becoming more and more common for people to know that you can power your house with a portable generator. And DuroMax seems to be there every step of the way to help people make the transition easier.
Not only am I a plumber, but I'm also a father and a customer of DuroMax, and I actually trust them to protect my home and my family.
We really are committed to making sure that people can take power independence into their own hands.
Landing on a backup power system from DuroMax was significant because it means that I don't have to figure out where to go in the event of an emergency. We can stay home. We can keep the lights on while, they figure out what's wrong with the grid.
To learn more about the power, protection, and security provided by DuroMax products, visit DuroMaxPower.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.